multiplying polynomials. Okay? So you're going to be multiplying binomials. I mean, it can be a combination of any two. A binomial with a trinomial. Right? A binomial has two terms. A trinomial has three terms. And what is the one that has four called? Quatronomial? No. Okay. Well, anything after four, because they're not all the numbers are not going to have a name. They're just considered what? With any number of a polynomial, yes? Okay, so yesterday we just did two binomials. Yesterday was just a 2 by 2. Today we're going to do let's start with a binomial and a trinomial. Okay, so number one. What if I have something like 3x plus 8 times x squared minus 4x plus 5. You guys agree this one has two terms? So that's two terms. 2. And this one has 3 terms. So the question is, if we're doing that box method, or well, it can't be a square. If it's 2 by 3, it can't be a square. It'll be like a rectangle more like. How do you set it up? Is it going to be 2 rows? Is it going to be 2 rows and 3 columns? Or is it going to be 3 rows? Or is it going to be 3 rows and 2 columns? You can say either one works? Okay, you guys are right. It doesn't matter. What's 2 times 3? 6. And what's 3 times 2? 6. You're still going to have 6. There's 6 here and there's 6 here. It doesn't matter which one. So some of you can be setting it up like this. If you do it this way, that means this one's the 3x and the plus 8. But if you're doing it this way, your 3x plus 8 has to be up here, right? And then the one that has 3 as well, this one over here. Now the work is going to look different. Your box here, or it's a rectangle now, right? The numbers and all the stuff is going to be like in a different position in a different place. But you'll see we'll get the same boxes. We'll get the same values in the boxes. So what's this one going to be? I'm going to do this quick. This is going to be 3x cubed. You guys agree? What's that going to be? Negative 12 what? Just x? No, we're multiplying, so squared. And a plus 15x. And over here? 8x squared, yeah.
Negative 32x.
Okay. All right, now do this one on your own. I'll give you about a minute. Less than a minute. Go ahead and fill these boxes up and do it. Let's say if you had set it up this way. Yeah, I think I'm going to like this other way first. But let's just do it. This will be 3x cubed. Yeah? Plus 8x squared. minus 12x squared minus 32x plus 15x plus 40. Does everybody see we actually have the same answers as the same terms as we have on this one? Yeah, we do. We do. But I'm going to say, now that you know, I would say go with this one. Why? Anybody can tell me why you want to go with this one? And I mean, you'll still get the same answer. You'll still be fine. But which one's lined up? No, none of them are lined up. This is x cubed. This is x squared. This is x squared. This is x. This is x. This is number. This is x3, x2, x. Oh, this is not even lined up at all. This one's worse. See how this one's a little bit worse lined up? So I would say, and I'm going to copy it over. I'm just going to copy it over real quick over here, and I'll tell you why. You're always going to want the one that has the more number of terms up here. So it's longer this way, yes? And you'll see that right now. Well, I'll tell you right now. Let me just copy it. Go ahead and copy it over. Let's see. Okay. Why do I want the one that has the more number of terms this way and the one with the least number of terms right here? Because, let me put these numbers here. Okay, everybody copied it over. It's the same. Because now that I'm going to have to, right, because I'm not done. This is not the answer. We still got to do what? We got to line them up. The good thing is they're already in descending order, like 3x3, and then the negative 12x squared, and then the 15x. See, that's already in order. But now this one, I mean, I can't add them right here. They're not lined up right here. This one has to start where? Under the x cubed? No? You got to scoot it over here. So start right here. Plus 8x squared. And then minus 32c. And this falls under the x, which is good. And then the plus 40, you write it off to the side. You see how now they're lined up right there? I mean, you could do it here too, but it's just going to look weird. And then you'll have like 3 of them. It'll still work though. Anybody get the final answer, the polynomial here? Anybody added it already? 3x cubed is just 3x cubed, so just 3x cubed, yeah. Minus 4x squared, because now you're just adding like this, like in rows. That is correct, minus 17x. And then the plus 40. Very similar to yesterday, right? We just got more. Well, there's just more. Yeah? There's just more of them. Okay? All right. So I'll stop the video here.